Choose the right filter as needed. The double wall filter can bring more pressure. If the single wall filter doesn't help, place the double shot basket into the handle, aligning it with the grooves. Add an appropriate amount of coffee beans. Adjust ground size, starting from number 15 for new machines. Lock portafilter into brewing head. Press single cup button to flush with hot water. After flushing, place portafilter under grinder. Press the grinding button to extract the powder. You can press the ground button to stop it. Distributing grounds with tampering. Then tamp firmly until level parallel to the max line. Lock portafilter into brewing head. Press the extraction button. It indicates optimal extraction pressure for espresso. Awaiting extraction completion, perfect espresso is ready. A little steam's going to be released from the water tray. That's just normal pressure relief.